Have you ever wondered if you can earn free money? The answer is yes, you can. And the best part is you can do it without any effort, without any experience, and without much time spent. We're going to show you today how you can earn free money by just watching videos. In fact, you can earn $6 per video you watch. You don't need any technical skills or any prior experience. Even an absolute beginner can benefit from my unique methods. Stay to the end of the video because I'll show you how. Making money from watching videos is a lot easier than you might think. As you likely watch films and ads online in your spare time already, it's such a simple way to earn extra money. It's a great way to make money alongside similar ventures like starting a YouTube channel. Plus, doing video-related work experience could boost your CV. So, if you're hoping to get a job in film, TV, or digital media, it's ideal. There are loads of ways to watch videos for money, and we'll go through the best options here. Number 1. PrizeRebel. PrizeRebel is a site that lets you earn money watching videos, something that requires so little work it's almost free money. You can request the money you've earned through its site as PayPal money or as gift cards. When withdrawing the money via PayPal, there's a minimum of a $5 payout. If you're redeeming your points for a voucher, you may find the minimum payout is lower than it is when using PayPal. For example, you might be able to use your points to claim an Amazon voucher worth $2. When you redeem the points you've earned through the site, your money/gift cards will be processed and sent to you within 24 hours. As well as watching videos, you can also answer paid online surveys and refer friends to PrizeRebel to boost your earnings. And on PrizeRebel social media pages, they often share opportunities to get bonus points. Number 2. We Are 8. Hoping to watch ads for money and make a positive impact? We Are 8 could be the app for you. Like some of the others on the list, We Are 8 is an app that lets you earn cash from watching videos. But it has a slight difference. As well as making money to boost your bank balance, you also have the chance to contribute to charity. After you watch ads on this platform, you're asked to answer a few questions and you can earn money per video. Once you've reached the minimum payout amount from watching brand video adverts, there are 3 ways that you could have the money paid out. It could be paid into your PayPal account, it could auto-pay your EE mobile bill, or you could pay it forward to a charity of your choice. An added and rather lovely bonus is that each time you watch a video on the app, brands make a charity donation too. Number 3. Promote videos. As well as getting paid to watch videos, you could consider charging companies to promote their clips and ads online. Sponsored posts are a common way to make money for online influencers. While you don't necessarily need a huge online following to do this, it would help if you had a reasonable number of followers on social media and/or your own blog. The bigger your audience, the more you can charge companies to share their content. Of course, it's important to make sure the videos you're promoting are useful and relevant to your audience. It could really impact your online brand if you share content that your followers don't engage with. Try reaching out to the influencer marketing departments of brands that you're interested in to discuss working together on a sponsored video post. You could also use freelance websites like Fiverr to find companies who would be happy to pay you a fee to share their video content online. This could be especially effective if you have a smaller online following. But if you don't get paid to share a post online, remember to clearly state that it's an advert or sponsored post. Number 4. Slice the Pie. Slice the Pie is a review site that lets you earn points for doing loads of very easy things like watching interesting videos, listening to music, and answering survey questions. The videos include commercials and clips like trailers for films and TV shows. The minimum withdrawal is $10, which will get paid into your PayPal account. You need to wait up to 5 working days for the withdrawal request to be processed. That's it for today, and if you like this video, do watch our next video about making easy money online. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.